Jared with Stryker Boats, and today I want to talk about our Bimini system. So a Bimini is essentially a roof that covers the occupants while you're in your boat. All of our Stryker boats come with all of the 6 Bimini attachments pre-installed onto the hull, which is an incredibly nice feature to have. And then if you do choose to purchase the Bimini with your LX boat, it does come with this great bag that is actually extremely handy for putting seats and bags and oars and everything else for your boat. And so it's really nice having the additional bag for all those extra accessories as well. The Bimini itself, it does come with our HD and our Pro series, so that is included in the price of that boat, so you don't have to worry about any additional expenses with that. So let me just show you how this operates, and we'll plug it into the boat. So how this system works is you have 3 rods, horizontal rods, and then which is attached to the fabric, and then we have our upright rods. Now for these, you just want to have a look at your 3 horizontal rods, and you just want to make sure that the inputs for these all go in the same direction. So you push your little button, you find the spot. So again, we go to the other side. We just make sure everything, all of our pins are facing the same direction. Okay, now that we have this attached, now the boat comes with like a nut and a bolt hardware, and that's what you can see it in the parts on the boat, the receiving end, or sometimes we do put them in the repair kit, the hardware, just so it doesn't fall out. So what we always recommend though, for the $2 is a set of Lynch pins or pin clips. What this does is it allows you to remove the Bimini extremely easily without the need for a Phillips screwdriver. So I just picked up these from Princess Auto. These are available anywhere, Lordco, Canadian Tire, just about anywhere. This is about $2. Right there, Callie. One option as well, as you can see, we'll just do it temporarily. You can travel, well, I wouldn't recommend traveling like this, but say you're just out on the water for the day and you don't know if you want to use a Bimini, it does fold completely forward into the bow of the boat. So when you want to have your Bimini, you just fold it back and set your clips and you're good. And when you don't, it's completely out of the way of the interior of your boat. So a Bimini it's a great feature, and today I think we're gonna get some sun, and who knows, in the Caribou we might get some rain, maybe some snow. So it's just nice to have. So I'm just gonna hook up my front straps first. Now, whenever we get it set up, we just want to adjust it for proper length. We want these snug. Now, I mean, I'm 6'1" and I'm pretty much standing underneath here, so it is a really nice system. Now, this Bimini is going to protect you from the sun. It is going to protect you from the rain. It's not a Gore-Tex material, but it's a very heavy-duty denier 1600D, which is an incredibly strong fabric and one of the best fabrics on the market in terms of bags and accessories. So this is also what we use for all our bag material as well. Some people also find it really nice to kind of use this to hold on as well. So it's an incredible amount of shade under here. So what we're going to do is let's get out in the water and run it. See how she performs. so this is great having all this room in here. Really nice option for those warmer days out in the water, or days where there's a little bit of rain. You can get your rod out and you can troll around, and a very good amount of coverage. So